How to pronounce correctly each word in the French alphabet? What are the vowels and consonants of the French alphabet? What are the differences between French alphabet and English alphabet? That's what I'm gonna show you in this video. So keep watching. I'll take you after the generic. Hello guys, I'm happy to meet you for this new video on my YouTube channel, Learn French by Channel. And by the channel of this YouTube channel, I help you to improve your level in French language. If you're new here, you have to subscribe now because each week I post new content on this channel in order to help you to speak French fluently and quickly. In today's lesson, we'll talk about French alphabet. The alphabet is one of the bases in every language, and it is really important if you want to know how to pronounce each word correctly and if you want to be understood. Sometimes you can pronounce a word, but with your accent, a stranger does not understand you well. Then, if you're able to pronounce each letter of the word correctly, you can spell them out loud in order that the person understands you well. So, the alphabet is really important. In French language, 26 letters belong to the alphabet. Those 26 letters are A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Now that we have seen all the letters of French alphabet, what are the vowels in French alphabet? In French, we have 6 vowels, not 5 as in English, no. We have 6 vowels. Those vowels are A, A, E, E, I, O, O, U, U, and Y. Y is not considered as vowel in English language. That's one difference between English and French alphabet. Now, the consonants are all the left letters of the alphabet. So we have 20 consonants in French language. We can also make differences between French and English alphabet during the pronunciation of the letters of the alphabet. The sound J, J in English refers to the letter J in French. The sound J, 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 J refers to the letter J of French alphabet. And finally, the sound I, I refers to the letter I in French. Now we are finished with the general information of the French alphabet. Something you can do to understand well this alphabet is to read it aloud many times. And if you wanna retain well this French alphabet, try to spell the letters of each French word that you see. It was a pleasure to me to realize this video, and if it's not done yet, subscribe now if you don't want to miss the next videos that I will publish soon. See you in the next video.